how much is, in Malay, master.
Berapa harga?
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master the essential Malay price question.
Berapa harga?
Meaning, how much is. Expect jokes, markets, and maybe a dancing wallet that only pays after you smile. Your goal today. You've got this, one clear target. By the end, you'll ask for prices smoothly, respond to numbers, and riff with add-ons like
Mahal.
expensive,
Murah.
cheap,
Discount.
discount, receipt,
Tulari.
cash, and
Cut.
card. Pronunciation rhythm. Let's warm up your mouth with a beat. Say it in 4 beats. Berapa harga.
Berapa harga?
Now the full question.
Berapa harga?
Let the ellipsis be the thing you're pointing at. Chant with me.
Berapa harga? Berapa harga?
Mini dialogues. Time to eavesdrop and grin. At the market. You.
Berapa harga mangga itu?
Seller.
Jam subuh.
You. Nice. At the station. You.
Berapa harga tiket ini?
Clerk.
Jam 12.
Online. You.
Berapa harga penghantaran?
Seller.
Percuma kalau ada diskon.
You. Sweet. Alternate pattern you'll hear.
Berapa harganya?
Same meaning, smooth vibe. Call and response drill. You answer out loud, I'll cue and reveal. Prompt. The hat. You say.
Berapa harga topi itu?
Prompt. This ticket. You say.
Berapa harga tiket ini?
Prompt. Delivery. You say.
Berapa harga penghantaran?
Ask for a discount. You.
Ada diskon.
Seller jokes. Only if you smile bigger. React to price. Price too high? Say.
Mahal.
Good deal? Say.
Murah.
Payment options.
Tulai.
Or.
Cut.
And don't forget the
Receipt.
culture tip. Pasar malam. Stay polite and your wallet will thank you. At Malaysian night markets, start with
Berapa harga?
smile and be friendly. Avoid the false start.
Apa harga?
The set phrase is
Berapa harga?
a soft tone often unlocks a better price, bonus level, ask again with a smile. Quick quiz. Pop quiz, you lightning learner. How do you say, how much is, in Malay? Answer.
Berapa harga?
True or false.
Berapa harganya?
Means the same thing. True. Odd one out.
Murah. Mahal. Berapa harga?
Where is the toilet? The odd one is the toilet. Speed challenge. Ready to flex your brain in 10 seconds? Point at your nearest object and ask out loud.
Berapa harga?
Then add one word. If it's pricey, whisper.
Mahal.
If it's a steal, cheer.
Murah.
Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Berapa harga?
In real shops, and grab more lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time, Bargain Hero.